from one CPU to another CPU. And this light goes red. That means it is not working, it's not connected. If the connection is perfect, then this will be green. And I have another thing is S video. We have composite. Now this is VGA1. When it comes to VGA1, automatically it is detected and it will be green.
This means with this unit.
Yeah, this is
with the unit.
connected with the system.
VGA1.
VGA1, yes. Now, this is the thing. And if sometime when we go to class, we point it over here and the pointer will be somewhere here. It is a mismatch of the pointer. So what we do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 button. We press this button once. This will be popped up. This is the alignment, what we make. If I make alignment something like 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Now, if I point it here, it will be pointing somewhere else. Point it here, it will be somewhere else. So, if the alignment is proper, no need of any worries later on. It's still out because I didn't reach the fourth point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I just say, that means it is working fine. Wherever I put my finger, it is pointing the same position. Right. The next one is the questions, like a question mark, which is going to be online support and many things. I press that one. The first one is alignment, the same thing what I did just now. Second one is center help. Third one is technical support. Fourth one is the connection with the CPU. Fifth one is the touch screen setup, recognition of touch. It can be a pen, it can be my finger. This technology works on the pressure, not with the finger or with the pen. This is pressure. If I create some pressure over here, it should work. Okay? This works with the pressure. This is the thing. Next thing is a tray with the pen, tray for the duster, tray for the pen. These three trays are having one sensor in it. If I remove that one thing, it recognizes, okay, he is going to write. The board understands he is going to write something. It is not necessary that this pen only is going to write. This is just a plastic. If this pen is not there in your classroom, you can put your cell phone or anything. You can put a pen, your pen itself. That means it is having something. It should block because I have two sensors talking to each other. It should be blocked. The idea is only that. And if I remove a duster, it says, okay, I'm going to rub it now. Automatically it sends it. Over here I have 6 buttons. 4 buttons of the color, which is there in the middle. The left one is a keyboard. If I press this one, the keyboard should pop up, where I can type something, which is the input to the smart board. Next, the last one is the right click. Whenever I touch the board, it's just a click. It means the left click. If I press this and press anywhere, click anywhere, it will be a right click. Okay? It should be a right click. Press this once, the right click button in the corner, press it here, it is the right click. So these are the basic setup of the smartphone. Now, next slide is why we use smartphone. What is the use in daily life? First one is to write. Instead of getting rid of these boards and writing on the board, we can write. No markers we need, okay, no boards. Sometimes in the classroom some boards will be damaged. It's a big problem. Okay, sometimes the marker will not be working. So no more of that things. We can write, we can save, and we can distribute it among the students. How we can distribute? We can distribute online, or we can just take a print and distribute in the class. So no more having a problem that the student is writing or not. The next thing is spotlight or screen shake. This is mainly used when if I want to conduct an exam, okay, exam in the class, I just give the blank papers to them. I say, okay, you have these papers, now I am going to give you the question and the answer. Now the students are going to write the question as well as the answer. So the thing is, if I display the question, answer will be displayed automatically with the question. So what we can do, we can just avoid student how not to see the answer. How? By putting a shade. This is the shade. What I am going to do with the shade? I just drag the shade. This is quiz, this is question 1, these are the options. So the students are going to just see question 1. Once they are finished with the question 1, I can say, go to question 2. Question 3, question 4. Now, after finishing of the exam, the students will ask, Doctor, what was the answer for this question? And I don't want to remember, like, okay, what is the answer of it? What I do? Answer was 70. Here I wrote the answer. I think I just deleted it. Answer is 8. Then this answer is 17. Okay. What I did over here is I have written it. I had created an object. These boards can rub only what I write. If I create an object, it's not going to erase it. What do you mean by object? For example, I am drawing with the help of a circle, which is there inbuilt. There is an object to the board. It's not going to delete the object. What I did, I had created an object. After that, I had put a white paint on it, which is there of the board. Background color, I pasted on it. That means it is not visible. When I am rubbing it, the white place is removing and the answer is there. It's a simple logic.
So, if I put it in a computer, then
Yes.
I will put the data there. Then I want to hide it.
Yes.
I can.
You can hide the data.
Okay.
Then when you just erase it, the data will be invisible to you.
Okay.
Next, these are the actions what we can do by using smartboard. We can create a new page, we can clear the whole screen or what we write, we can copy clear the whole page, clear what we write it with our hand or with a pen. We can make a Xerox copy of it, that is clone page. We can delete the content or the objects, then we can delete the complete page. We can put a roller, okay, a rule for measuring the length of the dimensions. This are for mathematics, like they mainly use for calculation. I want the length is this much and the breadth is this much. So for that they can use it. This is for the full screen, whatever we are seeing, for the full screen now. What we have pressed like F5 on the computer to make it wide screen. This is 2 pages on the same board. 12 pages. This is conferencing. It is better to have